Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to pin and unpin apps and arrange icons on Outlook Quick Launcher. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, you want to open your web browser and navigate to outlook.cloud.microsoft. This will take you directly to the Microsoft Outlook web app where you can access your email and all the Quick Launcher features. Once your email loads and you can see your inbox or main dashboard, you're ready to start customizing your Quick Launcher. The Quick Launcher is that convenient vertical bar located on the left side of your screen. It's designed to give you instant access to your most frequently used Microsoft apps, making your workflow much more efficient. Now, when it comes to pinning and unpinning apps from this launcher, the process is incredibly straightforward. Simply right-click on any of the app icons currently listed on the Quick Launcher bar. The moment you do this, a small context menu will appear, and you'll directly see the Unpin option right there. This feature allows you to remove apps you don't use frequently, keeping your launcher clean and focused on the tools you actually need. What's particularly useful here is that you can customize exactly which apps appear on your Quick Launcher based on your daily work habits. If there's an app taking up space that you rarely use, unpinning it creates more room for the ones you access regularly. Next, let's talk about arranging these icons. The arrangement process is even simpler and uses a basic drag and drop method. To rearrange any icon, simply click and hold on the app you want to move. While holding down your mouse button, drag the icon up or down the Quick Launcher bar to wherever you want it positioned. You can place it anywhere you like, giving you complete control over the order of your apps. This drag and drop functionality means you can organize your Quick Launcher in a way that makes the most sense for your workflow. For example, you might want your most used apps at the top for faster access, or you might prefer to group related apps together. The flexibility is entirely yours, and you can rearrange them as many times as you need until you find the perfect setup. And that's it, you've now customized your Outlook Quick Launcher to work exactly the way you need it. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.